more traffic guys. Putting on a show for the traffic here.
Where's their tank room though?
Yeah, where's their tank room? Very cool coffee shop we went to this morning. Hello! We are walking on an adventure now to go to a, what is it, a food court?
Yeah, it's a food court with lots of options for classic Colombian fare. Here we have patacones, which are fried green plantains, double fried.
I got this delicious soup and Rachel got 2 eggs and rice and avocado. Let's give you now a tour of our Airbnb. Bedroom. Patio. Big window. Hello Rachel, quick video.
Hello!
Hello everybody. Okay, this is the Airbnb that we're staying at. This is the ginormous window. There's a family room. There's a kitchen that's back there. There's a big loft. Okay, I'll climb up real quick. There's a full loft, actually. We've been reading this book and we both really like it. Okay, I'm flying the drone outside of my bedroom and I had Rachel come. Rachel, look for the drone, wave to it. She's like, where is it? I can't see it. Where is it? Oh, there it is, hello. As we were walking to dinner, I said, let's try to fly the drone up here and see outside. We were kind of nervous. We went to this Whole Foods organic restaurant place and it was very beautiful inside. Okay, now we're back at our apartment. See you later, bye.